Welcome to Jubilant. This video will guide you in creating relationships between modules using the Vtiger CRM Relationship Builder. For creating relationships between modules, you need a Vtiger Module Builder and Relationship Builder extension. Then navigate to the module settings. Click on the Add Relationships button in the top left corner of the screen. In this section, you'll need to fill out the required fields. Primary module. Select your primary module from the drop-down menu. Secondary module. Choose your secondary module in the same way. Relation type. Define the relationship type, whether it's many-to-one or many-to-many. Relation field label. Give a name to the relationship field to easily identify it later. Click the Add Relationship button. The relationship between the modules was successfully created. Now it's time to check that everything's working properly. First, go to the menu and select the primary module you just defined. Then click on Add New Record. Fill out the mandatory fields, including the reference field for the relationship. Once you're done, click Save to confirm the changes. Now that you've saved the new record, navigate to the summary view for that record. From here, find the reference field and click on it to open up the secondary module's data. Then, click on the More button. You should see the primary module listed there. Select the primary module's name to view its details. And that's it. You have successfully created relationship between modules using Vtiger CRM Relationship Builder. Thanks for watching.